Okay, so today we are going to look at Digitstem affiliate program. Okay, so let's go to the address bar. You can use any of the browsers you want. When you go to the address bar, then you type in www.digitstem. Okay, digitstem.com. You enter. You can use any of the browsers you want. So now, quickly, what we do, we are going to log in. I believe you understand that. So let me click login. Let me log in because I am already a user on Digitstem. I believe you understand that. So Digitstem is an affiliate program, okay? It's an affiliate platform, and I believe that as somebody who wants to start your journey in affiliate marketing, Digitstem is one of the best. I believe you understand that. Yes, because on the platform of Digitstem, there are many benefits I'm going to show you. So I click on login, then I am now already, my username and the password is saved already. So let me enter the number here.
The dashboard. I believe you can see that. So we have Digit Money, we have affiliate, and we have e-learning. I believe that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms because when you find yourself on the platform of Digitstem, we have the e-learning center and we have the affiliate products. I believe you understand that. So let me click on the e-learning and see where it's taking us to. So this is the e-learning center. So when you find yourself at the e-learning center of Digitstem, there are many courses. We have 5 enrolled courses. So let me click on view all. Now, before I click on the view all, there is an affiliate marketing tutorial. It will give you the general idea because before you can succeed as an affiliate marketer, you have to understand affiliate marketing itself. There are many people on many affiliate marketing platforms, but they don't understand affiliate marketing platform. And the reason why I believe that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate marketing platform is that they have a tutorial to guide you, to build you as a mastery, to succeed as an affiliate marketer. And once you get the knowledge, you can succeed on other platforms as well. I believe you understand that. So let's click on view all to view the courses. We have 5 enrolled courses at the e-learning center of Digitstem. So the first course is the Ultimate Money Machine 2.0. You can see that total lessons is what? Is 26. The duration is what? 10 hours, 21 minutes. You can see that. Then we have the Ultimate Money Machine 1.0, digital marketing. So total lesson is what? 21. Duration is 5 hours, 45 minutes. And the price is free. Once you sign up, all the courses are yours for free. Now, the third one is the Ultimate Arts Mastery course. So total lesson is 6. The duration is 2 hours, 34 minutes. Price is free. Once you sign up, you get all the courses for free. So we have the UMM blogging and WordPress web development. Total lesson is 38. Duration here is 4 hours 25, 4 hours 5 minutes. I believe you can see that. Then we have the last one, the UMM weekly coaching edition. Total lessons is 10. The duration is 8 hours 43 minutes and the price is free. So you can see that on the right of every course, we have view course. So when you click on this, then the course will be outlined. So let me click on the view course. We are opening the Ultimate Money Machine 2.0. I believe you understand that. So you click on view course. So now this is the course. I believe you can see that. So from here, let me click on watch now. The total lesson is 26. Let me click on watch now and see what the course has to offer. So that is the Ultimate Money Machine 2.0 AI edition, TikTok monetization and video marketing. You can see that. So the first course is what? Money and mindset, affiliate marketing fundamentals and money in the needle. It's a 1 hour 5 minutes 28 seconds video. You can see that tutorial. Number 2, a step-by-step simplified process of making your first $100 with affiliate marketing. It's 1 hour 35 minutes 51 seconds. You can also see that we have downloadable materials only. So we have downloadable materials only. So we have TikTok monetization introduction, how to create an international TikTok account. So if you want to learn how to create an international TikTok account, you can get the tutorial very detailed at the e-learning center of Digitstem. That is why I believe that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate marketing platforms. So how to create an international TikTok account, 1. How to create an international TikTok account, 2. You can see that you have account setup, how to generate token avatar, how to generate token avatar 2, how to get scripts, how to generate AI voiceover 1, how to generate AI voiceover 2, how to generate,
AI voiceover using the 11 Labs alternative, how to generate talking avatar. You can see all these. All these are tutorials under course, the first course number 1, how to edit your video. So if you want to learn video editing, you can learn video editing at the e-learning center of Digitstem. Then how to create AI animation video 1. You can see that how to create AI animation videos 2, video 3, how to create AI animation videos 4, how to create AI animation video 5, then how to upload videos the right way of uploading your video. We have 1 and 2. Then how to apply for TikTok monetization and funds. They are all here. We have TikTok monetization grand finale. You can see that. Then we have the money game show episode 50, faceless YouTube monetization. You can see that. Yes, this is important. The money game. This will show episode 50, faceless YouTube monetization. It's a 1 hour 50 seconds. You can see that. So you are getting all these tutorials. This is under the first course. I believe you understand that. Now let's go back. Let me go back and show you the other courses we have at the e-learning center of Digitstem. Let me go back. Okay, so let me go back. Let me click here to go back. Okay, so now we are back here. So the second lesson is the Ultimate Money Machine 1.0. We are done with the first. I think you have seen everything we have under the Ultimate Money Machine 2.0. So now let's look at the Ultimate Money Machine 1.0. Click on View Course. When you click on View Course, you will get the details. Now let me click on Watch Now. Okay, so you can see that this is the lesson list. What do you have here? The Ultimate Money Machine 1.0. We have Money and Mindset, Affiliate Marketing Fundamentals, and Money Needle. Then number 2, the second course is Product Selection and Market Analysis. How to select a product and market analysis. We have Traffic Sources, Funneling. Then we have Facebook Organic Traffic. We have Twitter Organic Traffic. We have Facebook Paid Traffic. So if you want to learn how to run effective Facebook advertising, you can get it here. Then we have Instagram Ads, how to run Instagram Ads. You can get it here. We have Traffic, breakdown traffic on WhatsApp and Facebook. Downloadable materials, resources, funnel building with a smartphone. Very detailed. We have Facebook and WhatsApp marketing. If you want to learn Facebook marketing and WhatsApp marketing, you can get it here. Then copywriting and priming. We have closing, downloadable materials. You can see that. Then we have download pro apps here. We have YouTube monetization course part 1, YouTube monetization course part 2. So you learn a lot. We have bonus materials, access to PLR site. This is a site you can download more than 200 digital products for free and sell them and keep 100% of the profit to yourself. Then we have how to save contact automatically for free. Then how you can make your first sale in 7 days using the 7-day return on investment. I believe you understand that. Then, so this is what we have. Okay, now let's go back to the course number 3. So the tutorials are many. Let's go back to the course number 3. We are done with course 1, course 2. We have looked at the detail. Now course number 3 has to do with the Ultimate Art Mastery. Total lesson is 6 and the price is free. Once you sign up, you get it for free. So view course. Let's click on view course. Okay, so we have it here. Watch now. Let me click on watch now here for the courses to be outlined. So we have how to create an engagement ad for lead generation. Then we have how to generate leads on Facebook without using a landing page. All these are detailed tutorials. Then we have 3, how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone. If you want to learn how to run Facebook ads with your smartphone, then you can get it here at the e-learning center of Digitstem. So Digitstem is a whole school. I believe you understand that. And it's the cheapest school fees you can pay. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification bell so that anytime I drop a video, you'll be notified. Now we have how to avoid Facebook bans, how to unban your account. Then we have how you can become a Google ad expert in 14 minutes. You can see that these are tutorials. This is course number 3. Now let's go back. You are getting all these, okay? Yes, you are getting all these tutorials. Now let's go to course number 4. So I believe that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate platforms for beginners, those that want to start their journey into affiliate marketing. Now we have the UMM blogging and WordPress web development. You can see that. Let me click on view course here. Okay, then click on watch now. So this is the interface of Digitstem. So we have the UMM blogging and WordPress development. So introduction, how to buy domain names, okay, and hosting, installing WordPress in cPanel. So this is about website design. So if you want to learn website design, you will also get it here. Installing Elementor page builder, creating new pages in WordPress, Elementor sections and structures. We are working with elements in Elementor, styling elements in Elementor. We have adding buttons to your landing pages, uploading and formatting images. We have exporting landing pages to Elementor. Introduction to blogging, okay, WordPress blog settings, WordPress themes and plugins. We have many tutorials over here, creating navigation menu, adding media to post and the rest pages. You can see that. Then 3 important pages to create your blog. So blog categories and tags, understanding pages and posts. You can see that there are many tutorials. Theme customization part 1, theme customization part 2. We have blog widgets and sidebars. Then create a professional blog. Then Google AdSense blog, monetization, things to do before applying for Google AdSense, introduction to search engine optimization, keyword research, on-page optimization, off-page optimization, technical SEO, local and mobile SEO, local and mobile. So this is a whole school. You can see that, a whole school. You can see that many tutorials, how to, introduction to 3D ebook cover designs, search engine optimization, e-commerce SEO. You can see that, using Canva as graphic design tool. So now let's go back to our last course and see what they have for us at their e-learning center. So Digitstem is one of the best. I tell you, Digitstem is one of the best affiliate programs for beginners who want to start their journey. Now let's see where it's taking us to. So let's see. Let's go back. Let's find ourselves. Let's go back. Okay. So let me click on back. Let's take us back. So let's go back. We are looking at the last course. Okay, the last one has to do with the UMM week coaching edition. So click on view course. When you click on view course, this is what we have. Then click on watch now. When you click on watch now, the tutorials will be outlined. So now the UMM weekly coaching edition. The first one we have how to sell the UMM course, how to sell the ultimate money machine course. It's a detailed tutorial. Then how to sell with WhatsApp groups. How to sell with WhatsApp group part 2. WhatsApp automation. How to automate your WhatsApp so that when you are even asleep, the system can be working for you. This detailed platform. Then how to create faceless videos on TikTok. We have how to win sales challenge on any affiliate platform. Then we have how to generate leads on X or Twitter. You can see that. How to create bonus website with cats.co. How to generate sales with WhatsApp TVs. How to run TikTok ads. So if you want to learn how you can run TikTok ads in Nigeria as well as any other country you find yourself, the detailed tutorial is here. So now I believe you can see that. Now let's go back. So these are the tutorials we have at the e-learning center of Digitstem. There are about 101 tutorials that will take you 29 hours to complete. So it means that if you can spend 1 hour a day at their e-learning center, then by 30 days time, you should be able to go through all the tutorials. If you can spend 2 hours a day, then by 14 days time, you should be able to go through all the tutorials. It is only after you have gone through the tutorials that you build mastery to succeed as an affiliate marketer. I believe that you understand that. So now, let's go to the dashboard and see something for ourselves, okay? Let's go to the dashboard. Now, the affiliate dashboard is here. I want us to go to the marketplace to find out what's. So when you find yourself on the dashboard, the affiliate dashboard, you see your balance. You can see that my balance as at now is $18.50. Overall earnings, I've made more than $300 on the platform. Total sales is here. So you see what you have made so far. It's one of the best platforms, I tell you, because the tutorials alone is mind-blowing. So let's go to the marketplace. So let me click on the marketplace. Now, after you have gotten all this knowledge, then they have all these products for you to sell and make commissions for yourself. That's why I believe that if you want to start your journey as an affiliate marketer, Digitstem is the best for you and it's the cheapest school fees you can pay. I believe you understand that. That's 165 Ghana cedi 30 pesos or 14,500 naira to sign up as a user, a member on Digitstem for a whole 1 year. So these are the courses we have. These are the products we have in their marketplace. We have the Ultimate Money Machine, UMM. Your commission is 50%. You can see that. Then we have WhatsApp Instant Marketing. It's also a digital product. And we have CPA Dollar Academy. The commissions are here. You can see the commissions. Then we have Amazon KDP for all devices. The commission is what? 65% for sale. This is a hot selling product. We have the No Stress Band 8. All these are courses, okay? So it depends on your area of interest, your niche. You can find a course and sell. I believe you understand that. Once you find that particular product you want to sell, you copy the link. Let me show you. Now, assuming I want to sell the Ultimate Money Machine. The Ultimate Money Machine is the Digitstem course itself. I believe you understand that. And it's $29, 50% for sale. So when you sell, when you buy, when somebody buy with your link, then you are making 50% commission. I believe you understand that. So you can see promote. When you click on promote, this is what we have. This is your link. This particular link is your unique link. Nobody has that link. So when you sign up and find yourself in the marketplace, when you click on promote, you are brought here. Then you click on this. Then your link has been copied. When your link is copied, then you are now going to promote the product. I believe you understand that. So you can see that Digitstem is one of the best affiliate programs. Why? Because we have the e-learning center where there are a lot of tutorials that can change people's life. There are a lot of digital skills tutorials that can change people's life. So aside that tutorials, then you also have many affiliate products to sell. I believe you understand that. In my next video, I will show you what to do next after you have copied your link. What next? Because it's one thing to register as an affiliate marketer on any of the affiliate marketing platform. It's another thing to select a hot selling product. After selecting, the link is generated for you. If you don't know how to promote the link, how to promote the product with the link, you're also not going to make sales. So there are many people who have joined many affiliate programs for more than 1 year, 2 years, but still they are not making sales. Why? Because they don't understand. It's one thing to get a link. It's another thing to know how to promote the product with the link. So in my next training session, I will create a video, okay? I will show you how to promote the products, how to promote products on affiliate platforms when you are given the link. If you have not subscribed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. Turn on the notification bell. Tell somebody about it. If you want to sign up as a user, as a member on Digitstem, check the description of this video. You can find the link. Follow the link and sign up on Digitstem and start your journey. I believe you understand that. The knowledge on the platform alone is mind-blowing. You learn, when you build capacity, then you can now begin to sell. In my next video, I will create a content to show you what to do with affiliate links in order to make so much money. You can also find my WhatsApp personal link, my personal WhatsApp link. If you want to get back to me for guidance and mentorship, you can click on the WhatsApp link and it will bring you to my WhatsApp DM and I'll continue from there.